hike with me and my dogs as someone who doesn't hike. This time I have my dad's dog. Her name is Millie. Everyone say hi. We had to walk up Mount Everest to even get to the trail, and I was already huffing and puffing by then. But Millie wouldn't start without treats. But can you blame her? We're just girls. Which, on that note, dog girls are literally the best thing ever. Like, there is just no greater love. However, Bella's love for water may just break that. Like, once this girl is in water, I cannot get her out. Which, so random, this turned into a trail run, and your girl is not a runner at all.
I don't know how runners do this. This is not fun.
People who run without dogs are built different, and I'm convinced that they are some sort of psychopath. The only thing that was keeping me going is my dog up ahead, but Millie was dragging ass. She's so slow that we literally call her Millie Moo Cow. But yeah, that was our hike as someone who's not a hiker.